Namaskar. I am Professor K. Venkateshwar, Professor of Nanotechnology. I am working in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University from 2002 onwards till today. I did my schooling and intermediate in government school, government junior college in Mathura, and then I did my undergraduation in Vijayawada, Andhra Layala, and I did my PG, PhD from University of Hyderabad in nanomaterials. And after that, I also did my postdoctoral research in Johns Hopkins Medicine under the Cancer Oncology Wing in the specialization of imaging of cancer cells using different types of peptides. And coming to my administrative positions, I worked as a head of the department, Center for Nanoscience and Technology, around 8 years, where the Center for Nanoscience and Technology is established under the DST Nanomission funding, and we have MTech in nanotechnology. I have guided 18 PhD scholars in different areas, especially my area of research is sensors, gas sensing applications. Now I work on hydrogen sensing. I also work on glucose sensing, third generation glucose sensing using cyclic voltammetry, and then I also work on different energy applications on supercapacitors as well. I do agricultural nanotechnology, basically seed germination applications. Coming to my administrative positions, I did the additional controller of examiner in the university as well. I am also controller of examinations and director university examination. I got the Best Director University Examination Award. After that, I worked as a registrar of the Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, where we have around 238 engineering colleges. Around 4.5 lakh students are there. And thank you. And now I am once again back to the Professor of Nanotechnology, and I also conducted a state level examination called Telangana PG admission test, which is one of the prestigious examinations conducted by Government of Telangana. And thank you. I have around 260 publications and 8,700 citations with good H index and impact factors. Thank you very much.